jump in and swim across. Right on the bass. I don't care, you can jump in right there. He jumped in right there. No, don't tell him to. Sam can't swim. Not yet. Come here, Isabel. Come on.
How deep is that?
No, right here you can see. Careful. Let go. Let go, hon. Oh, come on. Is it cold? Ooh, it's a little warmer than last time, huh? How low can I go? Oh! Yeah? You got your shoes on?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that line on you?
I do it.
Huh? Yeah.
It's warmer. Yeah, look. It's like your turtle. I like to do it.
Practice swimming right there.
That monkey is where?
Just to me. Yeah, I think you got it, bud. Yummy? It's like rainwater. That's what most of it's from. I don't think that went in your mouth, did it? The sand is?
Don't let it drown. No. I'm sorry. Here, get up and breathe.
Oh, is he going back under? Stay under as long as you can. me to get him? You want me to grab him? Just kind of be deliberate with it. Stinks right here.
I'll take him home.
No, we can't take him home.
Can I show Mommy?
He's alright.
Okay, don't hold it, okay?
He can hold it.
He's cold. Don't, you have to hold it tight.
No, he can let it go here pretty soon. We gotta get
I'll
going.
show Mommy.
She saw him.
No.
He's dying, Sam. I just started a little blank. You gotta let him go. No, it slipped out of Sam's hand. He was grabbing it and slipped.
You did it. Purpose.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Even if I did, it's about to die. Even if I did, it's about to die.
I know you did.
Even if I did, I'm about to die.
We gotta go, Sam.